there we go. We got
As
the
we
train.
finish our farewell trail, farewell journey for Dragon Train, as it's being recalled by the manufacturer. Here we go. We got the Dragon Train playing.
Alright, let's fill it up.
All right, here we go. It's okay. It's early. It's early. Get one. There you go.
Okay,
Now we're good. Come on, train.
keep it going.
Anything. Stay alive. Stay alive.
There we go. Saved it.
Woohoo! Come on, Dragon Train. We're gonna miss you. It's so funny. Every time we play it, we're like, when we lose, we're like, I hate this game. Can't wait for you to be recalled. And then you come back, and you're like, oh! All right. Well, finally,
Here's your train.
after so much trying, here we go. 8 for the win. $1,600. From what we've seen, the balls are usually bigger in this one, but that was a terrible start. All right. Fill it up. Oh, nice. So if you do fill it up, then you get the Fortune 8 jackpot. Oh, all right. 3 left. All right. One more big ball. One more big ball. Here we go. Oh. All right. That one helped.
Yeah, that helped.
Plus all the ones on the other side. Yeah. All right, add them up. Here we go. Bye-bye, Dragon Train. After this game, we'll miss you. Boom.
Good job.
Big win.
I'll take it.
Dragon Train win.
Good job.
Bye-bye, Dragon Train.
Bye, Dragon Train.
All right, 332. We'll back that up just a couple. Oh, again. Oh. Yeah, that would have been great. Oh. All right, well, that's our Dragon Train fun for today. Could be the last time. Maybe. Unless we get the itch to do it again, which you probably will.